Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching my video. May God bless you guys. And my name is Ijoma, aka EJ Love. I want you guys to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, keep your comment below, like, and press the notification button. Today's topic, I'm going to teach you guys how to treat your cough at home. No need to go to the hospital, no need. All you have to do is to treat it by yourself. I have the leaves here. This is guava leaves, dry guava leaves. All you have to do is to pick 3 of them and wash it. You place it inside a cup and put hot water inside of it and cover it for 30 minutes. Okay, welcome back guys. After 30 minutes, I'm going to show you. You guys can see how the color is right now. All you have to do is to drink it. Make sure it's not too hot. Let it be a little bit warm. You guys can try this for 1 week and you'll see the results. Once again, thank you for watching my video, and please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification bell. Anytime I upload a new video, you guys will see it. Thank you. Love you. By EJ Love. Mwah.